Raul Guevara, Tanesha fills out a form.
Yeah, it's me, on the number one fan, Tanesha Goodaz. I'm a fill out a farm, yeah. What is your name? Tanesha, Manisha, Kanisha, Fanisha, Lanisha, Banisha, Amber Goodaz. Where is your residence? I mean, like, where's your president? Where is your residence? Where's your presidents? Andrew, youngness. Cause him don't look old, but oldness, him don't look old, and so evil. Are your grandparents diseased? Lot them out of the nasty. My grandparents are too old for a dugu, much less for go catch disease, bright. Sex, well, 3 times a week, but due to my man, they are firing 0 from what they are. Last question now. What is your email address? Tanesha too cute, Eva Bliss, princess underscore tight like mosquito cover, overscore, you give it some bad man gal at yahoo.com, yeah.